Hello, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. Today I'm participating in a collaboration, or a challenge you may call it. It is titled What's in Your Cleaning Caddy? Spring Cleaning Challenge of 2018. And it's hosted by none other than your girl, Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime. Now in this challenge, she wants you to show her what was in your cleaning caddy. Well, I per se don't have a caddy, so I'm going to show you what I have. And remember to look down below at the other link for the other participants. If you're curious of what I have, oh yes, and we must not forget, if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please click that subscribe button down below. And also guys, click the notification bell up in the upper corner, and you'll be notified every time I have a video uploaded. And you guys, hope you enjoy the video. Like most or some, I don't have a caddy per se. I just keep things in certain rooms that I use them in all the time. So I basically have two, sometime in the bathroom, two of certain items, one for each bathroom. But I want to show you what I'm using at the moment, ladies and gentlemen, as I clean my home. Now, the one thing I do that I do need to get a refill of, I think I have one in the box in the room, but I'm starting to get into this Method cleaner. So I have the Method all-purpose cleaner. And then my glass cleaner is my Method glass and surface cleaner. And you see, I need a refill. And then for my wood furniture, I use the Method daily wood cleaner. It's really good to keep it cleaned up, but to keep my shine going, I like to use that. It shines it, but I'm going to get the Method polish as well, because I'm liking how that keeps my china cabinet looking. And then for the kitchen, I use the Windman stovetop cleaner, because I have a glass oven stovetop here at this house. So I use this. I have the daily cleaner, and then I have the cream and the kit to make sure I keep the stovetop clean. Also, for the steel in the kitchen, I have the Method Steel for Real. I'm not liking this all that much. I've just started using it. I don't like my steel to have streaks. And if you guys have anything else you use that doesn't leave streaks on the steel, please let a sister know down below. Method Granite Daily Cleaner. It's okay. I like this. It cleans the granite. It keeps it looking nice. It's not a buildup on it. So I like that, and it keeps it shiny. Now, I just started using this Myers air freshener, and this is really good. It's the lavender scent. I use it in the bedrooms. It smells really good. I started using it when my guests were here this past week for my mother-in-law's funeral, and everyone loved the smell of their rooms. For the bathroom, I use Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. And also I use the heavy duty all-purpose fantastic cleaner in the bathroom as well, on the toilet, because I like to make sure the toilet around the toilet stays really clean. And then as for the bathtub, I use this Method bathroom cleaner. I like the way it cleans the tub and the shower walls. It keeps it really clean and nice. I also use it on the sink. It just stays polished and look really pretty for me. And then everybody uses the Clorox disinfectant wipes. I use those on certain areas here in the house that I want to make sure that I keep them clean. So this is what I clean with, Miss Davis. I don't per se have a caddy, because I keep things in different rooms where I want them to stay. So, guys, this is what I use. Besides the towels and the toothbrush and the scrub brushes, and the gloves. I do have my pink gloves. I forgot to hold them up. I have the pink gloves that I use here to clean around the house with. And I also use, I have these two scrub brushes. This one came from the Dollar Tree. This one, guys, came from Grove. And I forgot to put up over here, I use the Method dish soap and the Method French hand soap cleaner. And then I use the Grove brush here, scrubbing in the kitchen. So most of my stuff is from Method. I'm loving their products. So guys, This is what I use when I clean my home. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. And you guys, as always, be blessed.